video of this old hoover dustette I got from KDS the other day. Here it is, very nice in the box. That's there. So the catch on the box is nice and fine. So let's unbox it. Here's the bag. It's not the proper one. It's got a D on it for dustette. It's a bit stained and smelled musty, and is fairly dusty. I had to put a new cable on it. Here we go. There's the cable, and here's the main body of the machine. There's the box. Very nice quality box. But anyway, here's the main unit. It's clean enough for me. Has a switch on top. Hoover logo on the handle. So you can just put this on. This bag has like a metal support brace thing in it. So the bag just, I think you line that bit up there, and it should just slide round us like that, and then the bag's on. Very simple little vacuum. No, I thought it'd have a 3-core cable, it's got a 2-core. Got a plug and MK, which is fine. You would have seen this if you had watched the half-an-hour long, very boring video, which probably none of you have. That's all in quite good nick, apart from a few scratches. I don't know whether it's supposed to be like that or like that. The bumper's not perished in any way. Got the nice brushes on the back there and the suction port. It's actually quite powerful compared to my other one, which is the plastic bodied dustette, which doesn't run right at the moment. It dips, the motor dips on it, which I'm not going to run it because it's in your hand and it's probably going to blow up. But anyway, right, this is the hard part. I've got to find a plug point. Let me plug it in right over here. The cable's fairly long. There we go. You've probably seen this running, but it runs fine. Ready? Watch the bag blow up. Very quiet. There we go, it runs very nice. So I just thought I'd show you this in more detail than I did in the other video that I made of it. So yeah, let me just do this catch up in the box. Right, that goes in there. That's it. There we go. So there we go. There's that little hoover dustette. If you like the video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, there we go. And yeah, bye for now.